In this video, you will be able to see how to request help within the software and access tutorials. On the bottom arrow located on the top left corner, you can check for updates of the platform, see its latest news, access O-Pitblast's YouTube channel, download the software's manual and see all the available shortcuts. For more options like these, go to the File tab and click on Help. There, you will see a link to our website, a direct connection to our help channel. You also have the possibility to send your credentials to your email, create a help desk ticket, ask for help. Here you can add comments and photos, and connect with us on Facebook.